Guys, we're going to go in here and check out Corky's BBQ. It is literally right next door to our hotel, so it seemed like a good way to end the night.
Hi.
Hello.
I just looked over here. Because I had just looked over. Did you see this?
We're going to go with a sampler. That way we can kind of get a little bit of a wide variety of different things that they've got. These rolls are addictive. Great.
Just let me know.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There is a ton of food here. Definitely enough for 2 people, probably even more. You know, one of the things when you come down here is that you get to run into people and talk to the people that live here, and you can literally spend all night talking to them. We just got through leaving from the Corky's BBQ. Great place to eat, plenty of food. I'm absolutely stuffed. But anyways, it's just another great night down here. You know, just making the best of it we can.